Hello everyone! I hope your day is going well. In this video, I'm going to show you our visit to T-Point Wharf and boat ramp. The area is guarded by large rocks which you can stand on and enjoy the natural beauty of the surroundings. This place is on the northeastern part of Auckland and about an hour drive from the central business district. T-Point Wharf and Boat Ramp caters primarily to small boats that are either on fishing adventure or doing recreational boating. As always, we do our bit for the environment. We look for plastic litter and other inorganic rubbish that are detrimental to marine life. The area is ideal for picnic as well as for hiking. Unfortunately, we did not see any penguin during our visit, but hopefully next time. If you like this kind of videos, I then invite you to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.